If you're considering buying BOYA, there are a few crucial things you should know before you make the leap. While it offers some exciting features, it's important to understand how it compares to other options out there, especially if you're in the market for something that can really help you step up your game. Stick around till the end to make sure you're fully informed. First off, one of the biggest things to consider is its compatibility. BOYA is marketed as a versatile plug-and-play solution, but before you buy, make sure it's compatible with your setup. Some users have had issues with compatibility on certain devices, which can be a hassle if you don't know upfront. Many competing products have more extensive compatibility lists, so be sure to check if your gear is supported. Next thing, let's talk sound quality. If you're a content creator or podcaster, sound quality is everything. BOYA generally delivers clear and crisp audio, but it's important to keep in mind that it's more of a budget-friendly option. The quality might not compete with some high-end microphones in the market, but for the price point, it offers solid performance. If you're looking for ultra-professional quality, brands like Shure or Rode might be better suited for you. The third thing to know is about its battery life. While BOYA claims to offer decent battery life, in practice, it's not always as long-lasting as advertised, especially if you're using it in high-demand situations like long video shoots or events. This is where it falls a bit short compared to its competitors. Some brands, like Audio-Technica, have a much more reliable battery life for all-day use. Now, let's discuss the ease of use. One of the things I appreciate about BOYA is how user-friendly it is. It's really easy to set up, which makes it perfect for beginners who just need something that works out of the box. In comparison, many of its competitors can have complicated setups that might take a bit longer to get the hang of, especially if you're not a tech expert. The fifth thing you need to know is about its build quality. While BOYA is solid and durable for its price, it's not necessarily built to survive heavy abuse. It's a lightweight, portable mic that's great for casual use, but don't expect it to withstand the rough conditions that other higher-end mics can handle. Some premium brands offer more rugged designs if you're someone who needs something that's built to last. Another important factor is the price. One of BOYA's main selling points is its affordability. If you're just starting out or need something that works without breaking the bank, BOYA is a great option. But be aware that while it's cheaper, you might find that some higher-end options offer better value when you factor in the longevity and professional-level features they bring. The last thing to keep in mind is the customer service. While BOYA does offer decent support, it's not quite as refined or responsive as some of its more premium competitors. If you ever run into an issue, it may take a bit longer to resolve, and you might not get the same level of personalized service that you'd find with higher-end brands. Now, if you're interested in trying BOYA, you can get the best deal by clicking the first link in the description. You'll even get exclusive benefits and a chance to try it out for free. So, don't wait. Check out the link below and get started with BOYA today.